everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all on my FabFitFun box. I just got this in the mail and I am so excited to open it. So I want to share what I got with you guys. But before we get started on opening the box, I wanted to let you know a little bit about FabFitFun. This video is, I want to say, semi-sponsored, so they do give me an affiliate link. If you want to get a discount down below, you can use it. Otherwise, you can find, I'm sure if you search for them, if you don't feel comfortable using that code, you can probably search on Google or something and find another code or whatever. So I just wanted to throw that out there, you guys. You don't have to use my code, but if you do want to save $10 off, then go ahead and sign up and then use the code that I have down below. But otherwise, it is a seasonal subscription box of beauty, lifestyle, fitness, sort of things like that. So you get it seasonally, so for every new season of the year, you will get a box that corresponds with that season. So obviously, because it's winter, we have the winter box here. This is what it looks like. It's super cute. I'm not going to show you the back, but it just has winter themed pictures all over it, which is super cute. And it's pretty heavy. So basically everything you get in this box is full size. And I think it's over like $200 worth of stuff in this box. Anyway, let's get into this bad boy. I'm so excited. And I should have brought scissors. Okay, there we go. All right, so as soon as I open it up, this is what it looks like. You get the magazine right on the top. Hi, Bubby. Alright, so I also got a coupon for HelloFresh, $90 gift card. I've tried it before, used it, whatever. Okay, and then it comes with the magazine, which I like to save for last. Alright, let's just, comes nicely packaged. Okay, I get so excited as soon as I open it. I'm just like zooming in on things. Okay, so the first thing, we'll just start from the top, is it's called the magical or the original makeup eraser. Looks like so. I don't know what this is. Erase all makeup with just water. Antibacterial, reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years. Okay, let's see what it is. Oh, okay. So it's like a little, what the heck is this? Bye bye makeup wipes forever. Thank you for joining our movement. Your blah blah blah. Oh, it says your purchase is helping eliminate the third most wasteful product in the world, wipes. So apparently that's the third most wasteful product, which totally makes sense. So this must be like you just wet it and use this. I wonder if it has like a soap in it or something. It says wash. Oh, wet, erase, exfoliate. I'm gonna have to try this out for you guys. Let me know if you're interested in seeing how this works. But that's interesting. Makeup eraser. Okay. Alright, the next thing I see is called Face for All Face and Eye Mask Set from this brand here, Karuna or something. Kit includes, so it has an age-defying antioxidant, brightening, clarifying, exfoliating, hydrating, and renewal. Do I get all those masks? Oh my god. Oh, cool. So I get a whole bunch of masks in here. That's exciting. Natural fiber sheet masks. Face and eye masks. Ooh, I love this. I'm so excited. I love face masks. Alright, I saw this and I'm really excited because I've always wanted to try this brand. This is from Dry Bar, excuse my nails. And this is Prime, Prep, and Detangles. And this is called the Prep Rally. So I am really excited to use this. I love anything new hair products because I really hate spending money on hair products. I don't know why. I can't do it. It's really hard. So I love getting them in my box. Did this. So that's what it looks like. All right, and Starbucks break. Do you guys like my lipstick? This is the new one. If you saw on Instagram, I unboxed it from Charlotte Tilbury, which it has this really cute little packaging. The color I got is a glowing gem. What is this? Oh, I got okay. All right, I'm not gonna lie. I did watch one person's video and they got this in it and I was like, oh, that looks super cute. This is from Beauty Bakery and this is a little eyeshadow palette. I've always wanted to try this brand before. This is Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. It's so cute. Oh my god. And there went the case. But okay, so let's see the colors. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The top has like little bananas all over it. So cute. And these are the colors. I'm really excited to try this. It's a vegan brand too. Cruelty free and all that. So yay. Alright. The next thing is a Bluetooth shower speaker. That's cool, actually. This is probably something I will not use, so I will be gifting this to somebody else. But it is cool. It's a cool idea. I like how they include little things like this, but yeah. That's another great thing about FabFitFun. If it doesn't work for you, there's a lot, like these make like great gifts. So I could give this to a coworker and it'd be like an awesome Christmas gift. But yeah, anyway, okay, so this I'm kind of excited about too. This is the color switch, and basically what it is this little sponge thingy. I don't want to open it yet, but it is a instant brush cleaner, supposedly. I haven't tried it, but it's really hard to see. You probably can't see on camera, but it looks like this little spongy thing on the inside, and all you're supposed to do with it is take your brush, your dirty brush, and then it cleans it instantly. So it's a dry cleaner, instantly clean, reusable, which is cool. Glide makeup brush against the color switch sponge in a circular motion to remove color. No liquid or cleaner needed, which is so awesome because who hates using, like, when you're gonna go wash all your brushes and you have them laid out, and first of all it takes up the whole counter because you've got like 8 million brushes, and then this looks really cool because you could probably just use this daily and then just clean up your daily brushes really quick with it. So I am excited to try that. I will let you guys know. All right, what the heck is this? Okay, Thirsty Hands. This is the next item I got. Super hydrating hand mask. That is so cool. I live in Minnesota. They like knew that I needed this. Yay. How many masks do we get? Super hydrating hand mask for dry, tired skin. Blah, blah, blah. I'm guessing it's just one in here. Doesn't say. It says apply to clean, dry hands. After 15-20 minutes, remove the gloves and pat excess off. So, oh, I'm going to be so hydrated after all of this stuff, you guys. That's really cool that they kind of like focus on hydration because the winter is so rough on your skin and your hair, and it's just not a good time. All right, the last thing I have in here is really heavy, and it says, what does it say? Unhide for love, not fur. Unhide for love, not fur. I'm guessing it's a blanket, which I freaking love throws. So I really hope it is. That's what it looks like. Fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux. No animals were harmed in the making of this faux. Blah, blah, blah. So it is a throw. I'm so excited. Let's open it up and see. Hello. Dang, it's like really packed in there, you guys. Like, this is like, it's tight. I don't know how I'm gonna open this without my scissors. Buddy, what is it? I know you're so excited too. He's like, I love taking all of your blankets. Yeah, what is it? What is it? Hey, Earl, are you into camera? Are you into camera? Oh, okay. Oh, look at who wants it. Earl, Bubby. Hi. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, you guys, it is so soft. It is just it's a nice throw. So on this side, it's like super furry. Let me show you. And then on this side, it is as well. This is gonna be so warm. He literally steals all of my blankets because like I have them or whatever, and then he'll lay on them and then get his stink on them, and oh, this is gonna be mine though. I'm not sharing. Sorry, Earl. Alright, so that is everything I got in my FabFitFun box. I do like to add it up and see my total of what everything was worth, so I will let you know in just a second. Okay, so I have the magazine here, and in the first couple pages they show you everything that you could have got, or everything that you got or everything that you could have got. Because these boxes are specific to you, so not everybody gets the same exact thing in every box. They kind of go off of what you want or what you like. So I went through and I saw the items that I got and I added everything up. So my total was $251 worth of product, and I paid $49.99 for this box. So to me, that's a hell of a deal. Again, if you guys have watched my FabFitFun boxes before, you know that I don't keep every item. So I either like to do a giveaway or I like to use items for gifts, because I like to be, I'm not going to keep everything just because it came in my box. So if I'm not going to use it, I need to be honest with myself and either pass it along to somebody who will, or give it, like I said, as a gift. So I know that even with the items that came in this box that I'm not going to use, it was still a hell of a deal. I'm really excited for these face masks. I think these alone were like $42, which is basically the price of this box anyway. So I'm really excited for these. I'm really excited. I love this little makeup palette. And then the other thing, oh, this hair, the dry bar, I'm definitely keeping that. I know I'll use that. And because this is a one-time use mask, I'm definitely going to try this one out. But anyway, like I said, everything in this box is so well worth it. And I really like this one in box. I think it's great. So if you guys want FabFitFun too, like I said, I have a discount code down below. Otherwise, you can definitely find one online. Oh my god, this blanket though has been on my lap since I opened it, and it is just so warm and soft, you guys. I think I'm gonna go take a nap now, so I will see you guys later. Bye.